Hi guys, Brandon with WhiskeyRiverTrading.com. So this is our 3-pound Michigan double bit by Council Tool. This is the bigger of the two double bits that we offer in the sport utility line finish. It's got phantom bevels. Like I said before, it's 3.5 pounds. It comes user sharp out of the box. Definitely a lot sharper than you would traditionally have at a hardware store or something like that. So it has the same grind on each side, but there's plenty of material there for you to set your bevels just like a traditional double bit would be, with a thicker and thinner grind. It is hung proud on a hickory handle and with a poplar wedge, and then this one has a steel barrel wedge. So Council does oftentimes use a step wedge, a flat step wedge also, but in this one it used that. So this is a hickory handle, it's a standard hickory handle. These are just how they come off the lathe with these standard line axes. It is what it is on the grain orientation, but they try to select as best as they can. This is coated in lacquer, and which can easily be scraped off if that's your preference. Otherwise you can leave it, and it's great for long-term storage of that handle to keep it from breaking or cracking. Yeah, so pretty iconic pattern, which would be great to hang up in the shop and look cool when you're not using it. So we're just quartering up some firewood for just the campfire pit over here. Some small pieces of ash that we cut down last fall. So they've been sitting down here and begging to be split up and quartered up. So here we go. So I know this isn't super big firewood chunks like everybody likes to see. We don't have any big rounds right now that aren't split up, and this is just campfire wood, and it's just a matter of getting it quartered up and be a nice wood to burn at night when we're hanging out around the fire. So one thing to mention with a double bit and splitting with a double bit is the advantage a double bit has is it has this weight off the back that a single bit with the pole wouldn't have. So when you're splitting, you twist and it pushes that weight over and it pops the wood apart. That's a trick we learned from our good friend Buckin Billy Ray, which I'm sure many of you are familiar with on YouTube because he's awesome. So yeah, old man trick to split with a double bit. But anyway, you guys can sign up for our newsletter at the bottom of our homepage. Also ring the bell for notifications and subscribe to our channel for more axe content and products that we're offering on our website. So again, I'm Brandon with WhiskeyRiverTrading.com. Be good, guys.